went to Mwankasa NDC for Nankasa, Mosa Maba in terms of Martin and Yajuma, now say Mutiabu Boho. You guys, what is wrong with you? Hey, in the Fourth Republic, check the records. See, in the Fourth Republic, check the records. NDC pay and our producing vice president, our wedding president. No, what's our producing vice president, our wedding president. MPP team producing vice president, our wedding president. That. And so when you are better about me, I want some person about me, DB. No, to be breaking my record. Are you guys crazy or you guys are just mad? Professor Mills, after a Konkansaka, Rollins a papa and Isumano. Sadia Rollins a year and won't say, I'll say, then, Pierre Bonti. Rollins was right. So, boom, Konkansaka. Say, yes, Steve Obimpe. That time as an Greek minister, so whatever. And Kobe Papa and Nina, because I dare Konkansa Akayeno was a betrayal. A Konkansa Kadiano Yen to say Bawumia Papa. You are the MPP ni Kwame Nkrumah, UP ni Kwame Nkrumah. Or betray Rollins. Because Akako cabinet meeting, no a church law, no the grata and Akoma journalist, so the hoist and the others set a machinery to find out who is responsible for those things. No more say Konkansa call the diary they call into a church on a list of journalists reading room. Me mo be edin wa hanne. O je mama. E no mo ball Rollins abane. Ke wo so enya abotre. O so wujafuma ni minim say ko. Bisa one on was a cabinet meeting I say. Eh si mo bi mpe e na so Rollins babu ni say. Na Rollins de na betwe e wonebo. Ade che no san ye reshuffle no yi na di. Iso bi mpe. After no and obefa Professor John Evans Fifiana Mills. Peja and Insa was Swedro. And Mills, as the then vice president, or Koya BD president. Jay Kufobe Fiabem, Newo Alhaji Aliu Mahama. MPP fought to me, Papa, and him, moment to a man bear 20 votes in book. Nipo over 600. The whole sitting vice president. Or sorry if you Congress and Asekoi. When your baby and Fananto. When see Aliu Mahama ain't me the president. And MPP so. Then Mills or yeah vice president be the president to call you know. John Dramani Mahama now yeah Mills vice president the president. Or that's sorry and upper Mills who you know the president. 2012 near Santo Abama no. Now watch this. Bawumia any Mahama so called elections are in the history of elections in the Fourth Republic. Obian who wait me beat you Obia 1.7 million votes. Check the records. Are they lie? Eti Mahama ne bana oba ye no. Enye se Ghana for no mabra Akufo Addo. Any MPP abanyo wuni ma me ka kire wonne, ba me ka se bi nkire wo. Na ade aye hie ye obi a obetimi atena se adwen eku na chichichiri ama Ghana. That is why we voted for Mahama. So I am for Mahama mad because of NDC. So what do you say? Now you perceive to Obama NDC. I voted for Mahama. I did not vote for NDC. Wouldn't man catch your plane? Campaign baby me ye ni na no man for NDC. Me ye for John Dramani Mahama. Because me who say sad dispensation within 2024. Now it was not even about no ankasampo no crowd no come, but we saw say somebody is better than all, and that was John Dramani Mahama. Etimu a mo twa ne ho ahia na mudi nkwase asem no mo ja jimi no mo bada bana sa na hamu. Are you guys crazy? What is wrong with you? Yay! Why? asa mo tete to na Jimmy sa ya ka mo pese mbete. The reason is say obi be ka so cat o ka so be ma ban no 1 year me 1 year aso. Ye kwa no ye ntra ho na aban we so nsei no me nye because he aban we enemy image nanam meka biom presenter bia ni asasi so a oye adwuma ma aban we cheme even NDC presenters no kura no hum say yeah kewo we are champion. Hey moi eti yent na ho na sa we minister we DCU we MP we say aban we yenye ye be you to abonten tam. Look the way amu ye no as obi a president edi enti Jimisa mabu bodamana adwuma no wo ho esesa mo yo no obi a ye na dwen so be obi a president edi MPs no obi a line say Mahamadu Bedi president na why minister Abraham Bedia why DC we Bedia no why say enti we nam wuram we so nam wuram we nam wuram ho so so na wo ho mabodamana me meka ne ntamach de wo ha wo pata me wo pape masem me mfa ho but aban we so de ye ma ne nsei aban we ye ma ne nsei o ye ntena ho eti mu a mo na mase nketenkete ye hu nyina mo sheda ye ne ma nketekete mo a mo gigi sika wa MPP for ho no ye di mu nyina hotel bi ovotareje mukoye meeting na maje kakra hotel bi osunyane e wo kwan ho uru sunyane kuroma wo nsabonkum mimbo bia facility din na makoshem na my meeting na maje kakra. Why are you deciding say you will make the vice president unpopular? Why? And this is for mabodamana oh, Jena no pokwajibai. Opa ya no popular. Opa man ya no popular. Or a vice president. Or a vice president too. Who ya the day she is the first female vice president of the Republic of Ghana. It is a opa ya no popular. We you one you we vice president now. Or the vice president of this republic. Are you guys crazy? About a month or two ago, I said, say, Okudzeto FD, moi. And Sam George FD. Says, so I'm the Haruna Campbell. I'm the Haruna Campbell. And Akufo bi so abomoni atna se obi e hopa ahihye FD ama Julius Debrah. Eti wo mo tesa ama Julius atom say tom ya kwa kodi nkruma first galamsey ya problem e da ho MPP ntimi ansolve aban we so ntimi solve ye ya ka no kwancho galamsey na aban we o twene to ase o panto ontimi and also Akufo said akosum amaboa afidie say yesuma amaboa afidie bana tom na president ayinadi na ye de oba bi aba ebe ye NDC for na amaboda mana mo party for no from ho soon say come de won mo party for they are crying no. I am coming from Western and Central region. I know what I'm telling you. Me, the main catch now. My party for them from holiday are crying. Now, Papa me no woman and I could be cham crum. Oh, go more touch mine. Your friend ya mabre. Openi ya mabre. Auto bicycle na bicycle ni finfin no twa plywood she ho no chro ho e wo mitrim bicycle your friend say buzanga volvo no twa plywood no the shame fifi on otworo ho ewumitirim or the bidie so na tworo enti so to na hohoro na wasa akotworo ewumitirim ana na openita sola ne baba ma bako oyemumu your friend ya omumu omu say ya ma brande bi o the bidie na tworo ana okofa anchor boy ne red paint bicycle ni si Ahmedi afo aso dan no ho ena ya omum cover red paint no na o de fefa mu ma no ewo mitirim NDC for now wo mu di machi no wo no mu di nkoma wo say ewo yetirim they know what they want to do and share ubedi abanya what you have to do first is to sort impenifa wo party mu na out make us sorting out am nka to say kwese Ghana skama omo because penny ba kupe to be control nipa be 3,000 mon penny fosu mu youth ni su mu hunyansa ntrase who what to do. You are thinking about making the president unpopular. You are thinking about making the vice president unpopular, setting traps for your own ministers. Are you guys mad? Meme kasa ni etuam ka o. Enti mo ya mekasa anti bi so e dey me dey general betua. Mabaram. Then I have mo NDC for. Then I have mo. Eniaman kitten sasa moye na krodwe mo je adwani na abo Mahama so papa we onu kwa na eko onu kwa na eba onu kwa na eko onu kwa na eba na muti akire instead say mo be ye adwuma na abo no Jimmy yo montra why me papa so pa wo maso ya ne boni yo e catch no plane na me ko do pa ta me o pa pe masem untimi nhwa me 3 days
for corruption and galamsey. These are the two key issues. If you say Ghana for the dome, now in some here, it say about when you Mahamadu Bawumia. Because let me tell you, this is the Ghana for Konosao. Have people that be good when you must say, "Oh, this is so much." And at that time, Ghana for any alternative before. The first time I who say, sorry, I friend the Catholic Church down in Sécret. It will be a demonstration prayer. Yeah, demonstration of them pay your boy here. Say, oh my penny no apart from Yamim Chuamuka, some more share. Now, yes, sense, no, okay, Okroma.
Make I.
It didn't goody. Ebio operation recover all loot. Sika, yeah, we are. And your Mekanwana Ghana for who say, any animal at Tikrumha, Ubuya Sika. Yes, be a DSU. These were the two key issues at Edurama by. It is open as a son, you man one handler. One I would dig woman. A drop and politicians must understand that be being will make me win the election than to perform. Than to respect contracts, a social contract out there. Timem for say, me ba, me shop, me say, Oba Soye. I don't think corruption. May Attorney General start here. Me and one of the pillars and I'm a board ambassador say, Odinka be ye press conference ye do dia to ya. Nad ye who say ye couldn't say. I feel what yada. I couldn't remember I would. They did about could be shaved if you have the bar. I could read.
I know the old one out to be a money. I am the power. Why are you beautiful? I do go ahead the audio bar. What the national service way the abba? What the Ghana Bruni, my friends, Mustafa Ahmed. Mustafa Ahmed. Was that the color toss? Uncle MB, another color than your crowd, not to and I toss. What did the Aberto say? Oma Bogana Corner. In fact, National Service Squad, your share said by end of July. Odombeko as in Libya. Yeah. MP de Koe, Sram, Yantefi. So it became a source of worry. Now, we are Kenya,
opposition for ground like opposition here say any MB before what we are the same with the Kebe. Now on one party for no they are so worried day and day Atobusha Wajado Musu so they are unable to even go back to or more fear to go and tell them say and some now kind of opposition no yeah man that is what is confronting them and no pressure and I'm 50 quote Ekaka say people are cutting deals and because as a general secretary we don't party office they be a complaints here there and some are showing evidence Ejekobasa na Debrah dey abem tibefi say eyasema eni se across obi a mind say odi be di agro I said it and I say o man pedi mama ne manyini ma hwe sharaf ne yi they have more years ahead of them na de bia ya na me de Kwame Nkrumah example say sabia ya ba Nkrumah there was no go and commit me when Jomoro city e dey brother na waboro Nkrumah to even become the chairperson of CPP how do Nkrumah ono Ghana kasa beroti but moja binti ne papa binti ne papa di binti otu ko ye MP for Jomoro akwa so Nkrumah bana obi eto aba en block
Nkrumah na ne wo mutirim
that is it and no more of the family by CPP so President Mahama has that duty to protect their children and don't he the triple fine ebia o yele de na fam dia so mampadi but essence on to me ngo ba bia ntira de ngofo sisi ho you must be ready to hire and fire o appoint obi 1 week no nya djuma pam no woni obi any contract so they better on one senior there is no way you must pamper anybody essence that you for ho so munya 10 o manga on you I'm telling you let's 2024 MBB baby o mko ebia na o tete no ma be remember kro wo dwane it was so difficult and Kwaku no mo de t-shirt mo no what they were doing is say o mo share NDC atade o form o mo tete akodu rally ground so no ma share atade MBB de regu so o mo wie ye gi sikara no o mo ye
first so
that was what was happening na chere say any braba ye de en kase pudio show ye party aben en jekra ye be lonche na share be dijo are you with me on tackle corruption Akufo Addo yisika National Scholarship Secretariat Akufo Addo ye nioma mienu bi a na dey protect krono anomabo and people must be clear with it number 1 opake court so the body court ye do court ka say wa body a say jao
ye be jao
o wie ye no ado sanso de dia Ivan Ekaro the amendment of the act 1079 by criminal and other related offenses or be amended in the federal plea bargain. June 27th, I know the coy. By July 22, you are I don't say more. Say, money mungo we are me na check the friend the law.
Now you are busy on Net2.
What you say?
Yeah.
And you mungo we are making sure 60% be the baby. Edu the idea ni akobo. How is it said to beat Mahama ECG up to now committee be friend? Now you do say ECG krono akoso. How is it say Afenyo Markets as a board chair Kennedy Agyapong omunya yam friend? Are we joking in this country? No amount of semantics no bofu betu ase wo wi o. To Mampedi Mahama, you must act. Yes, and right, it was reassurance all kase investigation bia no ye hwem, but let me tell Mampedi say me cost stadium na me go hebo. I'm not interested in going so I can't say yes game from a chiro ye be shego die minimum an say board
ato him.
Support the baby benefit no no die minimum say go na me fefe enti ehọ no e mane nkoye say the general secretary says that people are cutting deals which some of us knows that is happening na e don't frustrate process, you know, at the end of the day, because the second coming, he must go home with a legacy. So, Oba, you know, Ghana for some man, second chance, you know, one farmer mediagro. Nanko Foya, a good way to be good and he's also not lucky because the point is that Agyarko NDC Nankasabeko internal premise. akwa kope omu leader so tiase and the people are of the view say yenwie sika ngu ho na yenso efa konko elections. If you have such mentalities as Akufo no, they will try to want to cut deals to get money for this task ahead. Now they are all for to man and in and now on the question of galamsey. Tika dia na eva ike nipa nwotwe. The Minister of Defense, Obane Boama, the bosom friend, Mutala, so close to the president, Alhaji Muniru. Alhaji Muniru, so close to the president.
Yeah.
What you say? Samuel Sapo, Samuel Abwaje, and these army officers. On my soon here. From the 6th of August to the 15th or so of August. Obani now back to a standstill. Before then, Maso Mahama, Major Maso Mahama, all they do is get down.
Yeah.
Well, because of galamsey, yeah, and I say the Ghana water say or person or tuning soon because of the galamsey. I can say, cause don't do a million free across the country. Chebi says here, and go for top pure water the dear Gary. Chebi, go to Chebi, move from reporters and go to win and show great area. Ya tell why you and then go for the Sécret Jananka because of Opedia, Omupe good. Hey, that's over to go near you. There was a point. 80 yeah, state of emergency. My penny things otherwise say, oh, too soon. And no, they did the issue of NIMOS, National Anti-Galamsey Operative Secretary. Yeah. If the president will give them the full backing, I'm telling you, they will deal with the matters. Because who the commander is.
Yeah.
That he's a straightforward commander. He's someone that has the nation. Kenabua on Yobia. Yana go 40 this officer Amabu and Yano. This is Oko Army open the top 2 army officers. Kenabua is one of them.
Yeah.
So they are not related.
They are no relationship.
They are not related at all. Kenabua no kwasa Amabu abeye minister ina odi nya encounter.
Who nim the baby
ya the soldier knew at the baby the soldier
on patriotic politics. All the time.
He's a fantastic man.
A professional military officer. Top 2 Ukomwa obienim the credentials. And say he has sworn an oath to defend the integrity of this country. People must by all means find fault with him. But I want to assure all those that are doing say I am ready to defend that kennel. For one thing, sir, his image in the Ghana Armed Forces. And you politics, I would say anybody.
Yeah.
Omani say Omani gu. Yete ho adam kofo yete kromwana yetum ye forest nyinama sie nkotumu galamsey Akufo Addo na bai no akwakofa li 2462 aba wono ba ye wona nanom insase de yese gie nwuram yese ye de kra se da chokwe nkurase a yese ebrada ye nkwafo it's for a reason sa ebema forest no ennyoma ni nyira sa aye kama wodi e oba ye no se na nanom abodam editi ye nwuram ni enkotu agudie evidence say minister and I sorry say omungo yi sa airline very important na momwa sa 9 months for no ye nyira be boa mo no munku sa kun no munku no mu disu nkunimu a ebeboa other areas I think the president did well.
Yeah.
He was frank. I thought say on the issue of galamsey no the opposition they say they don't want to go say in state of emergency. Yes, but onke who say anye yesu a yenya ne bebo na chi.
Yeah.
So you have an option of state of emergency and you have an option say obey use the existing tools to say army ne we no money you know. Na ade ba ko be boa no pa so the same. Ne asema wakasa say MCB and DCB man ho kwa man important ye galamsey over permanent fit so. Because who to be the chairman of DISEC. Now important we ye galamsey na da so to. Na dia na wo to so ye.
What's why dey?
Tina o mampani no die. Na oka sembi and the chese o mo wia ye pan Akufo Addo ne nkofo. Also for the last 4 years Ghana for ship $42 billion every kroma. companies in Yoma. Somebody can Yoma, Yoma number scaneko. Individuals here, okay. And your party for year, every before year, the choir Samuel me. Where you find kiss?
Fine case.
It is a my Benjamin, Menkosha, or my Benu, no, I'm Cassasin, we are Cherna, Metuana, Bosome Bakum, you do yes, now or my Benjamin Babe. And you are very can't ever tell more. Because the SU Kruba, what a Sadia, that scholarship secretariat, I yeke. Over years on Makosha Parliament. And this gives like Manana Boso. And some of your to go Kruba, Yaka give to a warrior, I catastrophe project is a Rubia, you say, Ekoswan tree. What you Kruba?
What's him?
One Ankasa gives you a worry. Young. No, what is scholarship review? Oh, what GB? Yeah, I don't know. What give you what yes, him, dear Sissy? Ah, what give you a dive at us? No, or what GB Maniku. It to me a short grass already at Okudzeto. Stipends or GB Maniku or the cruise was so did. I don't know cruise Okudzeto was I just stipends, Amano. Now, Okwana campaign my MBP and Gabensa. Wo Kwana ye campaign. Me no can say national services so proyeni kankanya wa ye ho. Ada root shadow. Sasato.
Ya shadow. I say babies nyina wo mo.
Just a deep suro nyame wa kwachana baby kafu.
Be say me ka to so mo nim nyansa.
Baby under one.
Cross for gwa no wa baby. Cross for gwa
ni obokro no.
Hey. Na wo enkwada mako 1000 under one Jessica. Na no as enye nyina fo. Ore fi say that mmerewafo ne kokrafo so. 92 years. Chimi for gwa.
National service.
Ana obo sa ko fa Kenya fo nyina so be say. Just kro no time gwa no mo abo. Na sa asemu ya yete ho. Convince me the idea and this is a way a fast. National health insurance. Hey, Papa no wants that expose or more. Now, one buy a project can carry one. Yes, all better. So, I say, airport company. A whole say Pacha. Airport company. Now, national lottery crowd, you one more was a CA crowd. You can't look at them, they're private person. No, GD. Mobile, now, most so. Just say, acquire, scratch my back, let me scratch your back. How can we behave in this country like that? Hey, and maybe, and what did you say on the power?
Yeah.
The power member Gen Z, after they are going, or what they start here. For granted, ministers and parliamentarians no more lavish lifestyle. Now people will deal with you. Almost start your visit, prime minister will be and the parliament will be a gane. It's answer Gen Z for one who say, "What person do what bravo?" There is no worse and you will also make not you reaya or be a gone to a motor. Ya say, or what say, or I very sad body so be prosecutor. Mante Mustafa Yusuf Dium. Our Bene Omission Monfashim. His son said, National Service will not a chief executive officer. The box stops with him. And you know, more than a yeah, Namanashim. Africa Games, all Africa Games.
No, bosso.
I don't quite yeah. Beautiful so, Kwaku for asare. So, all defend the expenditure. Hey, Kwaku. Yes, so you know, sports highlight. What now, yeah? And the idea now, that's a cigar put you say, qua. Mobile,
they defend.
Nobody yet to me, no watch $15 million to Krumha. Then go for first Ghana. Go face Ghana, SC Takwa Sports Stadium, right from scratch. I'd rather tell my penny, like I said about a prototype. A cost so over $13 million. University of Ghana Stadium is sure. Net is C1, wow. A cap base is 16%. Mustafa Yusuf in the government catch almost spending $34 million in the complete keko. Elizabeth say Liman sa hostel there stretching on that Alice there. Mo dey condition ba ku me no kota tem was about $16 million. I ya bo na mo kroma. Esan say e wo sem gofo bi enye sika enya omo tam. We cannot continue to behave like that. Kadi esi okokobon. Kotona beton website bi di tonaton koko yi wo ho wo ma beton so di obusika ba jefa ko mo no yesi ya boka say almost say 32 billion. The o managing company no what if you through na obre I don't also bro Randy what why dey we busa questions o metro what do hono manusu ya hoda akwa shedo bia I with me ejiro say ye yele sa I'm telling you say ya obo so oman no obia be se
be ka ne ho she
na sika kakra na ebem ye nyina aso ye nyina de so does it not surprise you say yakobo bisia $750 million sika sa ekwan ya yenye tamale to wale yenye de ani pete bia woni we mu aban Akufo Addo be connection no ma be mobilization of almost $30 million. Ekwan o man koso sika o madi. Na palu good am there. Urefi. $12 million. Buko change kind of Bollywood boy. Na project amaso. How can we be doing this to ourselves? That is a kroma sika wa ha na ye we nyina wie na krono ne kankai na nipa na no eche hini wo mu a yemfa ne mra Ghana no che America Ken Ofori Atta. Da be na ache na asem. Yes, Ghana say we can now chepe.
Yeah.
What is this here no? Akoda. And you explain the promises on the neighbor. And you can Ofori Atta lawyers na ti kromu a omo ne nim brofotro e ka kire say May obeba May 1 month June obeba aye ye September
am near we.
Ma mefia me kan just say Ken Ofori Atta oye na American passport o ma. Let us say buapayo. Hwe mesa e course e wo the Bank of Ghana. Doctor in Sadison, ye answer the BBNC Okroma. Hey, what to be printed Sikamana Broso? Some say younger opposition. Now, what about the National Cathedral? National Cathedral, stealing in the name of God. And now, no work commission, Deloitte and two, sir, or Monfa management account near the Emrani. Can you money? And no day Gakra say you invested $97 million, not $58 million.
58.
Na ya san yoma we nyina da we nimu a na so obi esore adope no ofiri makura se no ni akonya te so no ni eyi na mo sa hia gofu na mo from honorable sa na mo modam ade what is honorable about them say yi mu besi wa da mo be wi o man ni sika eti ye ko ye nim no o man pani emma ne nan sisi ho na attorney general se ba bi na ye odin na se ohondo do so a obetwi atwe ho se ohondo do so na so bi na tata wa ka kire ye ne ni par kwa koyam e be chia yam se bibia so ye fine na se o ye idi e de be press conference ba ko for me
na ye hu de
e ko na me timelines because the only the chance ye nye se na o ye you when you chance here with press conferences that be follow
on the twaso sa
the only chance na come home you just two me say hey master you person o twimi di obia so e ma obi ntwe obi ndi so tiase won to me die say matese ma panian na no woka to me ndai now we must be a lesson to what's the apaluda system
na onya bill na say no kasa ma MPP ana ma kwatena yoku ama no
o say o mo na hu so sabi wo na jere ni nya adwuma wo chem me tie jere mi abidua jere o kase ho apaluda mu na di no kra na mfa no ho o mo gya no ho so o mfa ba akonko abroje die ya no be hu so mu di akire o mo gya apaluda ewi ase no Sankofu ma ka kire mu se sa before mu no mu nam wo nya asem hwe esan se won ka krekra mu boam ye wi aye na obeye yi wo ma fa so ye outsider obeje a obecharge no agiko e no da so chem e de ti ye wo boani nyina no what about hanan die ayi buffer stock
e no president boss so
e no e be kwada be no
o se nyina ka ho
e sremo o ma beri e mebu no se wo de wa ntumi amoma adwuma now to be Jesus catch chinkofo egu mu ade okay
no
because me wo se nya fort sikana ga be bia adwuma no na hyenkofo ebutom afuna waje a ode ba be dey o ba be ya adwuma obosi be koyanim.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.